Wondering where to go in lockdown phase? Can't go far. Let me take you to an exciting space. Let's unveil the path of Schwarzschild radius. In 1915, a German physicist Karl Schwarzschild worked upon Einstein's field equations of general relativity and derived an equation that could tell us the radius of the sphere of an object would have to be squished to in order to become a black hole. What is the Schwarzschild radius? It is the radius below which the gravitational attraction between the particles of a body must cause it to undergo irreversible gravitational collapse. This might sound complex, but it's just simple math. In this equation, Rs is the Schwarzschild radius, g is the gravitational constant, m is the mass, and c is the speed of light. Now, many of us know that black holes are gravitational abyss, but what most of us do not know is that anything, you, me, a rabbit, a tree, a ball, everything can become a black hole. This is possible due to an important feature of atoms. They have a lot of empty space. In the center of an atom is its nucleus, consisting of protons and neutrons. Surrounding the nucleus is the electron cloud. If we were to remove all the empty space in all the atoms that make up the human race, the entire mortality could fit into an area about the size of a sugar cube. The Schwarzschild radius, therefore, can be obtained by removing the empty space between the atoms or, in simple words, compressing the object to its Schwarzschild radius without losing any of its mass. There is another way in which we can obtain the Schwarzschild radius of an object. For this technique, we need something heavy. Let us consider a rock. If we keep on adding rocks to our object, its superficial mass will increase, fulfilling the requirements to acquire its Schwarzschild radius, eventually turning into a neutron star. If we repeat the same thing with this neutron star, it will result in formation of a black hole. So, I sum it up with this astounding fact that anything which is matter made up of atoms can become a black hole with the help of this prodigious theory. Thank you.